The quality management module is used to design and carry out the material inspection process. It contains 10 basic applications and 2 batch applications for data reorganization. To start the quality management functionality, you need to activate this function in customizing. Here, it is also possible to activate the master data versioning and define the settings for number ranges. In the parameters application, it is possible to define the characteristic to be checked. This can be measurable or non-measurable. In case of non-measurable parameter, it is impossible to define a unit. An entry to the table is added using the New button. All defined parameters are visible in the table with the possibility to filter them. The methods application is used to define how the parameter inspection is to be carried out. It is possible to specify the validity time of the method. For example, if the validity of the method is to overlap with the validity of the calibration of a specific control tool. By default, the method is valid from the moment of its creation without limitation. An entry to the table is added using the New button. All defined methods are visible in the table with the possibility to filter them. In the control plan types application, it is possible to create multiple types of plans and assign number ranges to them. This simplifies the management of the inspection process and makes it possible to associate one item with several control plans at the same time and use them as needed. An entry is added to the table using by New button. All defined types are visible in the table with the possibility to filter them. The control plans application allows to create control plans according to which the inspection is to be carried out. To create the new control plan, use the New button and fill in the mandatory fields. Entries in the table containing the list of parameters, methods, and tolerances are added using the editor. When the control plan is ready, it should be released using the action. Any changes in the status of the plan are visible in the History tab. In the Quality Management module, it is possible to create versions of control plans. For this purpose, the function master data versioning must be activated in the customizing. Changes in the control plans application, compared to the inactive versioning option, are the new version, a field with a version number, a field for specifying the date on which the plan version is to take effect, and an option approved version, after which the plan can be back to edit or released. Releasing another version of control plan causes its previous version to expire. Only control plans with a status of released can be used in the inspection process. The control plan assignments application allows to assign a control plan to an item or classification. This simplifies the process of creating an inspection order for an item, eliminating the need to manually select the right control plan. With inactive versioning, only one control plan of a given type can be assigned to a single item or classification. For active versioning, several versions of a control plan of a given type can be assigned to a single item or classification. It is not possible to assign a control plan with the status rejected or expired. In the Inspection Order Types application, it is possible to create new types of inspection orders and define preferred settings for them. You should fill in the control plan type field if you want the system to automatically complete the inspection order with the valid control plan assigned to the item. The Inspection Orders application is used to create an inspection order for the selected item. If the type of control plan is specified in the inspection order type, and if the item is associated with a control plan of this type, the system will complete the information about control plan itself. The dispatch action displays selected control plan. It is possible to make changes using the editor, but they will affect only this order without affecting the saved control plan. To enter the result of control, release the order and go to the inspection order postings application. In the inspection order postings application, it is possible to report the result and the time of inspection execution. The corresponding fields are activated according to the type of parameter. It is not mandatory to specify the processing time of inspection. Only items with the marked checkbox will be posted. After completing the fields and posting, the results are shown in the inspection order table.